So now we're gonna talk what is a donut chart. So donut charts are very similar to pie chart, but beside they don't have the hole. They don't have a hole. They have they have a hole, but they don't use the hole. They use it like in a donut way. So it giving it the appearance of a donut. So right here it gives you literally looks like a donut. The central hole can be used to display other additional information or simply enhance visual appearance. Donut charts are often used to represent the same kind of data of pie charts, but can provide a clear distinctions between categories when visually comparing them. So now we're gonna talk about how to code it. So we do donut chart, that's what like the comment. We do plt.py as in parentheses values labels equals labels auto-pct equals 1.2, excuse me, 1.2 f, which is what I just showed you guys, uh, teach you guys about. Wedge props is edge color. So wedge props are like edge color, line width. So like right here, I made an example. If I put red right here, let's say red. See, the lines are red. The line width is one, right? But if I put two, it gets thicker. If I put 10, it gets thicker. So that's what it is. So now I go back. I put this back to pink. Let's put black. I think black is more colorful. So now we do PCT. Distance is 0.85. So what this is, it means you see these decimals. This decimal shows how far you want it to be. If I put 75, let's put 75. Look where it is. It's not really like in the central of like the banana category. If I put I'm not gonna put 100 or it's gonna take way too long. But let's put 10 right here. Let me put 10 real quick. See, the decimals are all the way here. Look at my mouse. It's all the way here. Other one is like all the way here. The other one's right here, and the other one's like very like gone. Like they're gone. They're like super far, like right here and right there. So we always have to, even if I put 0.8 and I enter it, it still has a different. If I put 0.9, it still has like a little bit like a not even size. So we always have to use another decimal, it's like 0.85. And now it's in the correct decimal position. Or we can do 0.2. That's even better. But I'm gonna just do it this one. So now we're gonna do strength tree and underscore circle equals PLT circle is 00 and 07 y FCY. So if I put black, the 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 central will turn into black. This, see? If I put now I go back to normal so I can show the other stuff. If I put 02, see? It just turns into a donut charge. And we don't want that. We want it as a 00. Even if I put 0.1, see? Oh, right there. It gives a donut charge right there. If I put if I put zero, if I put one here and I put a zero there, it goes there. So we just want it to always be 00 so we can create a donut charge. This is where like how uh how big should the circle be, which we don't, we always wanted to have it like this much, 0.70. So fig is figure size, plt.gcf, it just we do parentheses, so figure and dot gca parentheses dot add underscore artist equals central circle, which this is it. This is the central circle. Now the PLT title donut chart is donut chart right here, and we do PLT dot show, and it just shows donut. Now I did a clear example and went deep. Now we're gonna talk about the basics of pair plot in Python. So how to code the basic player point plot in Python is first this, but before that, pair plot is just a section of So here, this is a pair plot. So it's a section where uh, of like very every decimal every of everything conducting to one. So Virginica, versicolor, setosa. So we only have three, but these are species. These are like our species. These fall into species, and like these are different like types of species. So now it shows like now like it codes the length, the width, uh, the length and width again, but for everyone, for everything. For it shows the setosa length and width, the versicolor length and width, the virginica of length and width. And simple width is like like just like it doesn't show dots, it's like a mountain kinda, and that's what it shows. And this is all about it. So this is how like yeah like codes. So now we're gonna talk about how to code the basic player plot. So how to code it is this is the basic one. We just pair plot from sklearn, import datasets, import pandas as PT. Iris is assigned to datasets that load underscore iris. You can't see the underscore, but there's an underscore. And then iris parentheses. Df equals to pd dot data frame. Parentheses iris dot data dot columns equals iris is assigned to iris. Feature names. These are like feature names and print df. Now we before I show you guys this, this is what we get. See, this is what we get. Now we're gonna do iris dot load. Iris target is similar like I showed it right here. Iris dot load df dot iris data, but I put data frame, but here iris data columns equals iris feature names. Now we're gonna do convert it. So these are like add the species to the data frame. So how to convert species to actual names for better visualization is we do def, uh, we do parentheses, one quotation, species equals do df, same thing again, dot map, parentheses, curly braces, zero, uh, as in we put two dots, as in uh, one comma, setosa, as in comma, one uh, two parentheses, one comma versicolor, as a comma, as in two, the same thing as Virginia. So we do end it with curly braces and parentheses. So that's how we convert it. Now we can create the pair plot. So we do import C1 as SNS, plt.figure is fig size equals 10 and 5. It's just 10 and 5 right here, 10 and 5. So right here, 10. It just says like right here, 0 to 1, 2, 3. It's just like how big should it be? Like how big should like the figure size be? So now right here it says figure size is 100 times 500 with zero axis. So now we're gonna do SNS dot pair plot is parentheses df comma here equals species with two parentheses. So plt dot show, and this is what we get. So most of the Setosa species are in width of like they're like higher than any of them, but sepal link for Setosa they're like the lowest, mostly in the lowest, and uh what's it called? The pedal link is Setosa also the lowest, and the pedal width is Setosa always the lowest. And see, look, sepal link, and let's look at sepal link right here. Simple link is the lowest, and right here also is they're the lowest, and just in vertical, but they're vertical, and this one is horizontal. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about Versicina, which is like they're always the highest. As you can see, they're mostly the highest, and even uh in the mountains or in the visualization, they're also the highest. and for pedal width is they're the lowest. So that's how pair plots work. So I said how to code it in advance. I just showed you guys. This is the whole advance, and that's all about it. We learned about pair plot, base donut chart, pie chart, box plot, and his plot and a bar plot. So thank you guys for watching and coding it with me, and I hope you guys learned and subscribe to my channel and have a good day. Bye bye.